How to set up a mail server. Setting up your own mail server allows you to send, receive, and store emails independently without relying on third-party services like Gmail or Outlook. While it might seem complex at first, creating a mail server can give you greater control over your data, improve email privacy, and present a more professional image, especially for businesses. A mail server typically consists of several core components: SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, for sending mail, IMAP/POP3 for retrieving mail, and a Mail Transfer Agent, MTA, such as Postfix, SendMail, or Exim. You'll also need a Mail Delivery Agent, MDA, like Dovecot, and a webmail interface, e.g., Roundcube or Rainloop, if users want browser access. Hammer and wrench, prerequisites. Before setting up a mail server, make sure you have a domain name, e.g., yourdomain.com, a static IP address recommended. A Linux server, Ubuntu, CentOS, or Debian are popular choices. Proper DNS records, A, MX, SPF, DKIM, and MARC. Wrench step-by-step setup overview. Set the host name. Begin by configuring the fully qualified domain name, FQDN, for your server. This ensures your server can be identified properly on the network. Update DNS records. A record points your domain, e.g., mail.yourdomain.com, to your server's IP address. MX record directs email to your mail server. SPF, DKIM, and MARC. These DNS records improve your email deliverability and help prevent spoofing. Install and configure Postfix, MTA. Postfix is commonly used to send and receive emails. You'll configure it to handle incoming and outgoing mail for your domain. Install Dovecot, MDA. Dovecot allows users to access their emails using IMAP or POP3 protocols. IMAP is generally preferred because it syncs messages across multiple devices. Secure with SSL/TLS. Install SSL certificates, e.g., via Let's Encrypt, to encrypt email transmission and protect user credentials and message contents. Set up spam filtering and antivirus. Install tools like Spam Assassin and ClamAV to help filter spam and detect malware. Create mailboxes and users. Set up local mailboxes or use virtual users and domains stored in a database for greater flexibility. Install a webmail client, optional. Tools like Roundcube or Rainloop provide users with a web-based interface to send and read emails. Test your server. Use online tools to test your server security, DNS configuration, and email deliverability. Ensure emails don't land in spam folders.